We're going to explain how to merge multiple Excel files into a single sheet. There are several ways to do this, and we'll cover a couple of the most common and easiest methods. 1. Using Microsoft Excel's built-in functionality. This is the simplest method if you're comfortable working within Excel. First, open the first Excel file you want to include in the merged file. Then go to the Data tab. You'll find a section called Get External Data, or something similar. Within that, look for an option to From File, and then select From Workbook. A window will pop up allowing you to browse and select all the other Excel files you wish to merge. Select all the files. Excel will present a preview of each file's data, and you can choose which sheets from each file to import. Once you've selected everything, click Load or Import, choosing to add this data to the current workbook or a new one. All the chosen sheets from different files will be imported as separate sheets in your new or existing workbook. Finally, you can copy and paste the data from each imported sheet into a single sheet if needed. 2. Using Power Query, Get and Transform. This method provides a more advanced and efficient way, especially when dealing with many files or large datasets. Begin by opening Excel and navigate to the Data tab. Again, you'll find Get External Data or similar. Choose From File, and then From Folder. Locate the folder containing your Excel files. Power Query will automatically detect all the Excel files within that folder. You'll get a navigation window where you can select the sheets you need. Importantly, Power Query handles the data types correctly and is very useful if your file format is inconsistent across the set of files. Click Transform Data and use the features within the Power Query editor to combine all the data into a single table or sheet. Once it's how you want it, click Close and Load to send the merged data back to your Excel workbook. 3. Using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. This method involves writing a short macro within Excel. It's the most powerful but requires some basic programming knowledge. However, we aren't covering this method today, as it's significantly more complex than the previous two options and better suited for automated processes or for experienced Excel users. A simple online search will provide many examples of VBA code to automate this task. 4. Using Python with libraries like pandas. If you're familiar with Python, this is a very efficient option for large-scale merging tasks. Pandas is a Python library specializing in data manipulation and analysis. You would need to write a Python script that iterates through all Excel files, reads each one into a pandas data frame, and then concatenates them into a single data frame before exporting it to a new Excel file. This approach offers great flexibility and scalability. Again, online resources offer plenty of examples of this method. Remember to save your merged file. Choosing the best method depends on your comfort level with Excel and programming, as well as the number and size of your files. The built-in Excel functionality is excellent for simple cases, while Power Query and Python offer more sophisticated options for complex scenarios.